Today, we're diving into the RAM mount RAM-B-149Z-202U double ball handlebar mount with Aqua box adapter, a mouthful to say but a powerhouse in function. Let's talk about why this could be the ultimate smartphone holder for your bike adventures. First off, let's address the build quality. Crafted by RAM Mounting Systems, known for their robust and durable mounts, this handlebar mount exudes quality. It's constructed with reliability in mind, ensuring your smartphone stays securely in place even on bumpy rides. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your bike setup. It blends seamlessly with most handlebars, giving your rig a professional look. Plus, the lightweight design won't weigh you down during your rides, a crucial factor for long journeys. Compatibility-wise, this mount is designed with smartphones in mind. Whether you're rocking the latest iPhone or an Android device, chances are it'll fit snugly into the Aqua box adapter. It's versatile enough to accommodate various phone sizes, making it a convenient option for cyclists with different devices. Now, let's talk about the mounting mechanism. The bar mount setup ensures easy installation onto your handlebars without the need for complex tools. It's a straightforward process that won't eat up your precious riding time. Once installed, the double ball design provides ample adjustability, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle for your smartphone. But what sets this mount apart is the included Aqua box adapter. With this addition, you can rest assured that your smartphone stays protected from the elements. Whether it's rain or dust, the Aqua box ensures your device remains safe and dry throughout your ride, giving you peace of mind to focus on the road ahead. In conclusion, the RAM mount RAM-B-149Z-202U double ball handlebar mount with Aqua box adapter ticks all the boxes for a top-tier smartphone holder. It's durable, easy to install, and offers excellent protection for your device. If you're in the market for the best handlebar mount for your smartphone, look no further. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.